Hey everyone, this is Awesome Wakabashi from Zen Ideas. If you're getting lots of spam comments from your WordPress website, so this video is for you. This is free and it's really quick and easy setup. Let me quickly show that to you. Yeah, you need to have Cloudflare, and this is free, and I suggest if you don't have it, sign up for it. All right, now and go to this Turnstile. Okay, so click that. And I've already added for this website, but if you haven't, just go click add a widget, okay? And this add a widget name, so this is just internal name, so this is something you can remember it. So pick website, spam comment, something like that, and then add your host name here, okay? And you have to have a host name, so this is the one, so you click and then hit add. Okay, so I already added, so I'm not gonna hit add anymore, but that's what you have to do. All right, and then right here, so widget options, so we got the three options, so managed and non-interactive and invisible. Now most case you can use invisible, but for this demo, so I'm going to just pick managed one, okay, so that you can see what's happening. Okay, and then just hit create. All right, now as I said, I already created, so I just go back and then I think you can just click that. Oh, so this is, you can see it, so back again, and here, so settings. Okay, so let's go to settings. So right here, so I already have it now, so you can so once you create it, so it generates a site key and secret key. Okay, and go back to your WordPress website and go to plugin, and you gotta add a new plugin for it. And here, I think simple Cloudflare Turnstile. Okay, so this is the one. Now I've already installed and activated. So, but if you haven't, you're gonna install and hit activate. Now, as you can see, so I have simple Cloudflare Turnstile here, and go hit settings. Okay, so you're gonna just copy and paste right here. So you copy this, and also secret key, you're gonna copy that, and then just paste on this. Okay, so you can just set up some themes and auto detect. And here, so you can set up for whitelist too. Put your certain IP address, and then if you're a logged in user, I think you can bypass it. Okay, so now right here, default WordPress form. So now you can see comments. Okay, so you can of course check out all of that. All right, and then so if you're using any other forms here, so those are really compatible with other forms too. And you just go ahead and then save change. Okay. All right, so let's see what you're gonna see here. So I logged in as a different browser here, so I'm not really logged in. Sorry, I didn't log in, so this is just public face. Okay, so if you this is just their news page, and on the bottom they have a comment here. Okay, so let's refresh this page here so that you can see. All right, so now you can comment. All right, so that's it for today. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.